Good morning. First one of the day, CRF300. This is a local fella. It's getting ready to put this up for sale. So he thought he would treat it to a bit of Trott TLC. Doesn't look like it has been properly cleaned in some time. He used this as a commuter. So we're going to do one of our full Monty valets on this, get it all prepped up, get it ready for him to advertise and sell. If you're looking for a CRF300, hit me up and I'll give you his details. First step is to make it look like it should. She is minging. Gonna take a good few hours on this. Then we get it washed and then we'll get it in the studio and crack on with some detailing. Watch this space. There you go, Honda CRF300 now fully trotted, looking so much better. This is up for sale. Anybody looking for a 300L CRF, drop me a message and I'll put you in touch with the gentleman. It's a 23 plate. Had one of our full Monty valets. Everything's been attended to. XCP on the motor. Sorted out all the top there. All the rims have been XCP'd, all the spokes. Painted the front header pipe. A few other bits have been touched up. Looking sweet. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.